Hello and welcome back to the garden, a place where nature thrives and every corner tells a story of growth and beauty. Are slugs wreaking havoc in your garden? Those slimy invaders can be a real nuisance, leaving trails of destruction behind. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explore 10 amazing plants that not only keep those pesky slugs away, but also enhance the charm of your garden with their unique features. There are certain plants that slugs find utterly repulsive. These plants act as natural barriers, protecting your precious blooms and greenery. By strategically introducing these into your borders and beds, you can deter them naturally. No need for harmful chemicals or complicated solutions. And the best part, these plants not only repel slugs but also add color, fragrance, and texture to your garden. Imagine a space that's both functional and stunning. So let's take a stroll through the garden and discover 10 of my favorite slug-repelling plants. Each one has its own unique charm and benefits. Ready to outsmart those slimy intruders and transform your garden into a pest-free paradise? Let's dive in and get started. First up, we have the beloved lavender, a plant cherished for its beauty, fragrance, and versatility. Its silvery foliage and beautiful purple blooms are a delight to the senses and a magnet for pollinators like bees and butterflies. Lavender's charm extends beyond its looks, offering a sensory experience that transforms any garden into a serene retreat. But did you know lavender's powerful aroma is a natural slug repellent? Its scent, while soothing to us, acts as a deterrent to these garden pests. The oils in lavender leaves contain compounds that are toxic to slugs, interfering with their sense of smell and making your garden less appealing to them. This natural defense mechanism is a gardener's ally. Plant lavender along the borders of your vegetable patch or amongst your prized hostas. This not only protects your plants, but also adds a touch of elegance and fragrance to your garden design. Not only will it create a fragrant barrier, but it'll also attract beneficial insects like bees and butterflies, which play a crucial role in pollination and maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Lavender is also a wonderful addition to the herb garden, perfect for culinary uses like flavoring desserts or teas, or for crafting aromatic lavender bags that bring a touch of nature indoors. Next, we have rosemary, a fantastic herb that pulls double duty in the garden. Not only is it a culinary favorite, but it's also a natural pest deterrent. Its strong, pungent aroma sends slugs heading for the hills. This scent, while delightful to us, is unbearable to many garden pests. Rosemary's woody stems and needle-like leaves create a physical barrier that slugs find difficult to navigate. This makes it an excellent companion plant for more vulnerable herbs and vegetables. Plus, its volatile oils like rosmarinic acid are potent slug repellents. These oils also contribute to its rich flavor and aroma, making it a staple in kitchens worldwide. Plant rosemary in a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and it'll reward you with its aromatic presence year after year. It thrives in Mediterranean climates, but adapts well to various conditions. It's perfect for herb gardens, borders, and containers, and can be pruned into various shapes. From decorative topiaries to functional hedges, rosemary adds charm and utility to any garden. Bonus: snip a few sprigs for your next roast lamb or potato dish. Its earthy, pine-like flavor elevates any recipe, making it a must-have for home cooks and gardeners alike. Let's move on to sage, a culinary herb that packs a punch against slugs. Sage's velvety, fuzzy leaves are incredibly uncomfortable for slugs to crawl across. Its strong aroma adds to their discomfort, making it a natural deterrent. Sage thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil and is drought-tolerant once established. Its attractive gray-green foliage adds texture to the garden, making it a great addition to borders and containers. Include sage in your herb garden for its culinary uses and slug-repelling properties. Now let's talk about yarrow, a plant that's as beautiful as it is tough. Yarrow's feathery foliage and cheerful flowers contain a bitter compound that slugs find unappetizing. Its strong medicinal scent adds to its slug-repelling powers. Yarrow thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, making it a hardy perennial for wildflower meadows and borders. Bonus: yarrow attracts beneficial insects like ladybirds and lacewings, which help control other garden pests. Geraniums, with their vibrant blooms, are surprisingly effective at keeping slugs at bay. Their tough, hairy leaves are unpleasant for slugs to crawl across, and their citrusy aroma adds to the deterrent. Opt for varieties with strongly scented leaves like citronella or rose-scented geraniums. Plant them in sunny spots with well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with beautiful blooms and slug-repelling properties. Wormwood, with its silvery foliage and distinctive aroma, is a powerhouse against slugs. Its leaves contain bitter compounds like absinthe, which slugs find unpalatable. The silvery hairs on its leaves create an unpleasant texture for slugs. Plant wormwood in a contained area or pot to prevent it from spreading aggressively. Its striking foliage and slug-repelling properties make it a valuable addition to any garden. Fuchsias, with their elegant blooms, might not be the strongest slug repellent, but they play a role. Their thick, leathery leaves hold little appeal for slugs compared to juicier plants. Fuchsias thrive in slightly shaded spots with moist, well-drained soil. Perfect for hanging baskets and borders, their blooms attract pollinators while adding drama to your garden. Ornamental grasses are often overlooked for their slug-repelling properties. Their tough, fibrous, and sometimes sharp-edged leaves create a natural barrier slugs avoid. Varieties like blue fescue and feather reed grass add movement and texture to the garden. Incorporate ornamental grasses into your garden for beauty and slug deterrence. Rue, with its rich history and powerful aroma, is a natural slug repellent. Its leaves contain volatile oils that emit a strong scent slugs find offensive. Rue thrives in sunny spots with well-drained soil and is low maintenance. Handle rue with care, as its sap can cause skin irritation. Wear gloves when planting or pruning. Finally, we have foxglove, a plant that's as beautiful as it is deadly to slugs. Foxgloves contain a toxin called digitalis, which is poisonous to slugs and other pests. They thrive in slightly shaded spots with moist, well-drained soil and are easy to grow from seed. Admire their beauty from a distance and let them handle slug control. So, there you have it. 10 fantastic plants to help you win the war against slugs. By incorporating these slug-repelling plants into your garden, you can create a beautiful, thriving space. Remember, gardening is about balance. While deterring slugs, encourage beneficial insects and wildlife. Which plant will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!